Yeah, basically these many people. Everyone out there, you know what? Everyone out there is talking and I think clicking pictures, doing fun. So yeah, time to start again. You know what this is? I think it is like this pretty thing is going to be like literally a dare. Like I am trying to document myself in front of these many students because my birthday is about to come, and I was on a mindset, or I had a mindset that I am going to do everything out there that I don't feel like doing or I feel hesitant about. And so yeah, today I'm trying to document myself in front of these many people. As you can see,
क्या फीस का
बैग में,
अभी लगा के कब देना
as you can see, and I'm pretty certain by the time I'll reach home there will be no time for me. I mean it would be get dark. Kindly don't go on the like sentence structure please, yeah. So yeah, I am here to to learn the things. Like we are here to basically attend a workshop. It is basically day second of that. I don't know what all are the things I'm gonna learn, and there are so many students out there looking at me and maybe pondering that what is the thing I am going to do. And but still it is pretty fine. I think I can show you some of them, you know. Yeah, basically these many people. You know what? No, this is pretty thing which I cannot do right this time. I know, but yeah, it is fine now. And here you can see my friend busy with gossiping so much. But yeah, time to do something. Time to do something productive and all the daring things. I think I am about to be 20, man. I literally don't want to enter in that with a regret that oh shit I had to, like I should have tried that or something, you know. But still, let's see what all are the things I can do. And you know what? Because I am done with this thing this much, I think now I'm not getting affected even a single percent that what they all are thinking, and even they are not looking at me at the same time, you know. So yeah, I think I'm not feeling that hesitant or something while documenting myself. I really don't know that am I audible or not that much. But yeah, I think this should be it for today's documentation. If possible, we will meet at home, and if not, this will be it. Just leaving the college, I mean just leaving the building in order to reach to the road, you know, because I have to go to home. I feel that I'm getting late. There are so many people again here who are looking at me. I don't know why. No worries, let's get started. I was attending the workshop as you've already seen, and finally it was actually a GD today. We were given a topic and we had to just go and talk about that. I was the leader of my group and there was another girl who was also a leader, so each group has mainly 2 leaders. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा आज का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रास्ते में कंप्लीट होने वाला है, which is not required, I mean which is not that good at all, but still I am bound to do that, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है by the time I'll reach home I will not get that much time, you know, to document the things. And आज मैं literally थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इसलिए खुश हूँ cause when I was in that workshop room, or I can say whatever what it was, I literally documented myself, and I think that is the reason why am I getting that much, I think confidence in myself, that I am able to record myself while walking, and I am doing this literally thing in the college campus. I think thrice, like तीसरी बार कर रही हूँ मैं ये चीज़. And yeah, there are still people who are looking at me, but they are not paying that much attention, and I think this is the pretty thing I am liking very much. If possible, there are literally so many things which I have to tell, which I have to discuss, but in case I reach at home on time, I'll try to discuss. Otherwise, we will meet next day. Okay, thank you.